Locals halt illegal mud dumping in Saligao field hired by GED. Tension flared in Saligao on Saturday after alert villagers stopped trucks allegedly involved in illegal mud dumping in a field earlier hired by the Goa Electricity Department (GED) for underground cabling works.
ये मट्टी गवर्नमेंट का, इधर गवर्नमेंट का
नहीं नहीं
हाँ?
वो केबल जो काम करता है ना सर जी,
हाँ।
उधर से लाया।
लेकिन अभी इधर ये खेत में कितना डाला?
मैं अभी तो पहला ट्रिप डाला है, अभी दूसरा है।
दूसरा है अभी।
हाँ।
अच्छा, अभी रुक जाओ, जाना मत।
दूसरा भी अंदर लेके आओ, इधर आओ, लाओ डालो मेरे, वो लेके क्यों जाता है वापस?
According to locals, truckloads of mud began arriving early in the morning, raising suspicions about unauthorized dumping. Active citizens including Pradeep Padgaonkar, Krishna Mahaloji, Krishnanath Kovalkar, Devanand Kudnekar, Oreo Carvalho, and Pradeep Fatte led the on-ground protest. Later, Sarpanch Lucas and the local ward member also reached the site to support the villagers.
कल वो निकालने के लिए बोला है, किसको मालूम है? सेक्रेटरी को मालूम है। तो आज वापस तुम लोग यहाँ पर तेरे बाप का खेत है, मट्टी लगे जाता है, नहीं ये बाप का है, तो फिर क्यों डाल रहा है?
अभी हम लोग रुका
कैसे
है,
डाल रहा है तुम?
ये ट्रक रुका है हमारा है, तो तुम लोग फोन करके ये ट्रक वालों को बोलता है मत जाओ क्या है? अरे अभी ये ट्रक वाला किधर है? ये देखो ये ट्रक वाला, इसको पूछो।
गाड़ी वाले का है, दूसरा गाड़ी वाला
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मतलब ऑर्डर कौन देता है? तुम लोग ही देता है ना। तो तुम लोग मालिक को बुलाओ।
नो, किसने डाला डालने के लिए? बोला डालने के लिए।
बोलो
फोन
उसको
ऑफिस में लगाओ, फोन
उसको बुलाओ।
ऑफिस में लगाओ फोन। कहाँ पर है ऑफिस है तुम्हारा?
तुम्हारा है रे?
वो बोल रहा है
तो तुमने बुलाया?
कंपनी ने बुलाया है सम्मति।
A Saligao police vehicle was seen at the spot, reportedly acting on the instructions of MLA Kedar, as the matter stirred concern over misuse of government-leased land and possible environmental damage.
ED has got to do. Have you approached Panchayat?
Sir, we have not, but it was asked for ED to approach the council.
But there is a procedure.
Yeah.
How you could dump? There already 5 trucks have been dumped. Your 2 trucks are already under our procedure. And if you are not clearing this, we will hand it over to flying squad. Whoever you may be and your company
No,
will
sir,
not bother.
we are not here to bother you. In any case, we are not here to bother you or create any problem for anyone. Okay, sir? That part is our part. That has been, it is under the work. It is an urgent part because we need to clear it because there is some chess World Cup. There is a competition that is going to be held from on first. So that part has to be cleared on a very urgent basis.
Yeah, but now by dumping mud in this field, you are not only destroying this field but other neighboring fields also. The mud will go into their field, that field. What are you going to compensate?
So we are not going to.
Then
we will get it removed right now regarding the impact. And we have already spoken to the GED officers. They are getting in touch with the local MLA.
No,
local
we have got nothing to do with the MLA.
GED has got no permission to dam in the field. I do. This is cultivated
Yeah,
area.
I do.
This is agriculture.
I do.
You can't feed the area.
Yeah, of course. We have no authority.
Even GDC has got no right to.
We have no authority, sir. We
Please
have.
clear this as soon as
Yeah,
possible.
I'll do.
Residents swiftly intervened and demanded that the dumped mud be cleared immediately. 2 trucks were reportedly seized by the villagers and later released only after the condition that the site would be restored using a JCB.
जोड़ झालं.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.